Hi guys, I'm Niyati. Hola, yo soy Niyati. And today we are going to be talking about the celestial events of February. So, February is the second month of the year, as everybody knows, as long as you know what the months are. So anyway, the starting of February, we are starting with a very interesting celestial event. On February 5th, we have the asteroid Massalia 20 at opposition. So this asteroid is called asteroid 20 Massalia, and it's going to be at opposition with the sun, which means it will be directly opposite to the sun with the earth in the middle, and that means the earth will be blocking the light from the sun, and that means we can see it even better. So it will be really bright in the sky, and it will be really easy to see this asteroid. And if you are going to look for this asteroid, if you look in the constellation of Cancer, it should be very visible over there. And then on February 7th, we have the lunar occultation of Uranus. So lunar occultation just means that the moon will be directly in front of Uranus from our perspective. Now, lunar occultation is something that is really fun, because it does not happen only once, but it's going to happen 10 times in this year. Sadly, this lunar occultation, we cannot see it unless you are going to be sailing in the southern Atlantic Ocean during February 7th. But most of you are probably not going to be doing that. But if you are, then you can see it. If you're not, don't worry. There are a lot of lunar occultations. There is one almost every month of 2022, and most of them will be seen on habited land. And then on February 8th, we have Mercury at its morning peak. Now Mercury, it is a very hard to spot planet, and the conditions have to be very perfect for you to be able to see this. Mostly you can't see it because it's a very small planet and it is very close to the sun. And the only times you can see it are very rare because the sun's light is too bright. But on the morning of February 8th, we can see Mercury right above the sun, because the sun is still below the horizon and Mercury is on top of it. So this is happening sometime at dawn while the sun is still below the horizon. So Mercury will be 13 degrees at its altitude in its morning peak. That's why we call it Mercury at its morning peak. And then again on February 8th, we have the Alpha Centaurids meteor shower. So the Alpha Centaurids meteor shower, it's called Alpha because of a weird Greek symbol. I'll put it over here. So this meteor shower will have approximately 5 meteors per hour, and it will be taking place in the constellation of Centaurids. I'll put an image of it somewhere here. On February 12th, we have the Mars and Venus conjunction. So the word conjunction, as I told you, astronomically it means that two objects look like they're in the same place or next to each other. And this conjunction is between Venus and Mars. And then on February 27th, we have Moon, Venus and Mars conjunction. So the Moon was feeling lonely and it decided to join Venus and Mars' party. And this time this conjunction is between Moon, Venus and Mars. And now we'll talk about the moons of February. So on February 16th, we have February's full moon, and it's called the snow moon in the Farmer's Almanac. So why is it called snow moon? Because February is the month where the seasonal weather happens more. And then on February 1st, we have the new moon of February. So new moon, obviously you can't see it. So it's a great time to see the dimmer objects in the night sky, like nebulae and some distant stars, because the moon's light isn't there to hide it all. So that is all of the celestial events of February, and February doesn't have a lot of celestial events. Maybe it's because it only has 28 days this year. So these are all the celestial events of February, and if you like this video, like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Adios. So these are the celestial events of February, also called as the holidayless month. Fishes are cool. Okay, on February 12th, we have the moon and... Okay, I said moon again.